November 16th, 2023, 4:44 p.m. So this is pretty much what it is. What it's been. It was even worse earlier. So north. You can hear him. There he is. Where'd he go? Pops in and out. That's just the way it is. No, that's going to do it. I'll throw in some pictures. Supposed to be able to see the moon over here, but I don't see it, so we'll just see what happens. Might get a glance of it somewhere, but it is really south right now. All right, peace out. Quick shot over here up from this side. Looks wild. And you come back around, and that's north. You see where these scurvies have been doing. They're doing this constantly. Then these things grab the winds and go sideways, and that's what all that dark stuff is right there. Been watching it. A little goes a long way, and they concentrate it. Okay, well, it started to clear up. I got just a glance of the moon, but no chance to get it. But this is Jupiter. I'm facing more east. But the moon is going really south. And it's almost like a clear sky. But I caught one plane going through here dumping. But the camera won't pick it up. Best I can get of Jupiter. All right. Peace out.